Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a short walk to go and do a fish and chip shop review. This one is at the Harry Ramsden's on Bournemouth seafront, which I think at one point in time, might still be now, it was the largest fish and chip shop in the UK and I think one of Harry's oldest. So let's go and check out and see if it's worth the hype. We'll see if we should go somewhere else.
Yo, Itsajackslife, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist gains, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. Itsajackslife, adventure's great.
Not part of the review, but just noticed there's a cool crazy golf there. Wow, look how fun this crazy golf is. Anyway, to the chip shop. Which is just here. Harry Ramsden's 1928. Here we go. So we're just here next to the pier. Let's have a quick look at the menu. So it tells you all about the opening of the shop, all the details, and then we've got the starters. And of course the main courses, famous fish and chips. Drinks menu. $6.70, $6.90 a pint. Bottles of wine, 28 quid. That's Prosecco. 29 rosé. So obviously we're here to taste the fish and chips, but they do lots of other good stuff as well. Salt beef sandwiches, chicken Caesar salads, pies. So there's a full menu here, not just the fish and chips. They've got the Club 60, so if you're over 60 you get a bit of a discount. Quite a good discount actually. So I've just found out it's not a mahou, it's a mal. Who knew? Food's arrived, so I've gone for the place. Lovely looking batter, it looks very crispy, these bits especially. Chips, gives you tartar sauce, mushy peas, and a little lemon. Let's lemon it up. Get rid of the pit. Ooh, pit won't go. And then we're going to salt him. Chips as well. I like a lot of salt in case you can't tell. Bit of pepper, because why not? Right, with the tartar sauce. And a touch more salt. Some vinegar. No, that's better. Right, let's test out the chips. Bit of tartar sauce on the chip. What's really good about here is everything's cooked in beef dripping, and you really tell the difference. It's really nice. It makes the batter very, very crispy. Very good. Right, so just had the fish and chips from Harry Ramsden's. Absolutely delicious. The batter's so crispy, and then that comes from the beef dripping that it's cooked in. Also, the atmosphere in the restaurant's really nice, really relaxed, but kind of posh at the same time, but not overbearing. Feel very comfortable in there, even with my daughter who's a little kid making a bit of noise. There's no issue about that. So yeah, well worth a visit. Come give it a go if you're in Bournemouth. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.